Here's a piece of Boulder Opal that's been cut out of a larger piece of material. Rules in millimetres. The white that you're seeing there occasionally is a reflection of the lights. The colours changing from here to like solid colour into sort of like a matrix material. But I think you can see, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's very fine veins here. And as you grind it down, you might have the colour work its way across. See that it's solid opal up at this end, disappears under there, goes around here. So there's a good chance that this type of material here will end up larger in the area. So anyway, and it's nice hard material, so it'll polish up well. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.